At IIT Jammu, we pursue research, education and innovation with a unitary motive to encourage R&D and problem-solving capabilities among scholars in different programs. Our facility, named rightly Agastya, shall be first of its kind, state-of-the-art facility in Jammu and Kashmir. It is a unique yet high-performance blend of HPC plus big data, AI plus cloud infrastructure. The facility is established with the mandate to help not just our own research scholars, but scholars and faculty members from entire Jammu and Kashmir. We wanted a facility which can deliver the highest performance.
IIT Jammu got established in 2016 as an institute of national importance to promote higher education and cutting-edge R&D. Since then, the idea of setting up a large-scale computational facility started evolving. The challenges were to integrate diverse user requirements, campus networking, and IT services on board in a single infrastructure for optimizing users and performance, to build a single platform that could serve CPU-intensive, GPU-intensive, and large in-memory-based computational needs.
Designing and deploying HPC solutions is not new for NetWeb. We have done HPC installations galore, even including some of the world's highest performing HPC systems, but providing such a hybrid design of IT infrastructure to IIT Jammu has added a feather to our hat. The process of amalgamating such markedly distinct technology platforms such as HPC platforms stitched together with novel Tyron Cloud Suite, also known as Tyron Skylus, along with our Hadoop engine, has just been a monumental effort from the team NetWeb. But it's essential to say, joint efforts by IIT team has been remarkable.
In case of IIT Jammu, the challenges before us were unique and interesting. If I have to enumerate some of these, I would say a mix of users at IIT Jammu who desired to use cross-platform architectures. Example, some of them already using parallel computation for their CFD or MD simulation models, now envision to take help of certain ML and DL algorithms and fuse the codes, and these users required hardware architectures and middleware in accordance. Such examples were many, but NetWeb teams created a converged platform for HPC, big data and cloud together, which could cater to their needs. Design of their entire data center and compute infra with such a high performance, yet achieving such a low PUE level, which led us to provide an unprecedented design of solution.
When we reviewed what we want our end state target data model to look like, it became evident that we want to remove operating silos between different user groups and provide data seamlessly to all users. All this became a prime motivation for adopting a hybrid model.
IIT Jammu had mapped the requirements for this project in detail that allowed us to hit the ground running and deploy the project in time. We delivered a full-scale mixed workload environment with HPC, big data and cloud, along with a complete software stack with container-based applications and DL frameworks in a cost-efficient shared infrastructure. AI was added into the mix as an enabler for HPC and big data at scale. This provided end-to-end efficiency for applications in a distributed environment on-prem and in the cloud.
Our private cloud facility uses Convert Cloud Suite based on OpenStack, which is from Tyron. This infrastructure integrates compute and storage at various granularity levels. The granular compute VMs can be created with basic cloud features and compilers, as well as advanced cloud features based on VMs with pre-installed images of deep learning framework. The big data center includes Hadoop, Hive, Pig, Spark, etc. This cloud facility uses Kubernetes container orchestration.
We use Tyron Cloud Suite, also called Tyron Skylus, to deliver SDN, SDS and virtualized compute and GPUs. With the help of Skylus, users have flexibility to create virtual workstations with multi-GPU support, virtual AI clusters with a CPU and GPU. And on the other hand, TCM given them the flexibility to create state-of-the-art HPC facility with a large set of workload supports and provide big data clusters with the GPU support, which can also be used for big DL. I must say this design is one of the novel and a future-ready design delivered by us till date.
Combining HPC and big data in a single environment is a huge task, but NetWeb, being an experienced integrator in deploying HPC systems, understood our requirements for the desirable results.
The overall efficiency of the cluster was highly optimized by NetWeb HPC experts along with IIT Jammu team, which led to higher performance than most of the peer group clusters we know of. Even the sustained storage throughput surpassed the 30 Gbps criteria we had set as a target.
We appreciate the efforts and readiness of NetWeb team and thank NetWeb team for their uninterrupted 24/7 support.
A team of go-getters that have taken us on this exciting journey from HPC to AI to research excellence. A big thumbs up to the NetWeb team.